The Terra AB app is a simple and effective tool for measuring pools and safety covers. When your dealers use the app to measure a pool, they get better results and fewer errors. It can also save you time and headaches. One of the main advantages of using the Terra AB app is that it improves the data entry aspect of ordering a liner or safety cover. You don't have any issues trying to decipher someone's handwriting. Measurements are automatically entered in the correct format, so there's no question about size. Another advantage is verification. With the app, dealers can verify their measurements on the job site, saving trips back and forth to the pool. The app also allows dealers to send measurements directly from the Terra app. This saves time for both you and your customer. Once Terra receives the measurements, we can begin processing the order. We contact you to let you know the order has been submitted, and you simply send the PO. These shortcuts help expedite the order process, which is another great advantage of using the app. In this video, we'll cover how to use the Terra AB app to measure a pool and then place an order using the app. To start, the app can be downloaded for free from the Apple App Store. Just search for Terra AB or scan the QR code on the screen. Once the app has been downloaded, you are ready to get started. The app is designed to be straightforward and uncomplicated. At the beginning, there are instructions for how to use the app. After reading through the instructions, you can click Next in the top right to begin the pool measurement. The second page allows you to select the AB line orientation. This lets us know which side of the pool the AB line is on. This is always determined by standing in the shallow end. Next, you can select whether you will use one tape measure or two. We encourage dealers to use two tapes when measuring. The two-tape method is much faster because you only have to make one trip around the pool. It ensures you are measuring to the same spot for both A and B. If you enter all of your A measurements, when you come back to that same point again, you may measure to one side of your mark or the other. This could lead to some variation in the measurements. Also, once you enter both measurements, you will see the point plotted on the graph. However, if you only use one tape, you will not see the points in the graph until you enter your B measurements. Entering your measurements in the app is quick and easy. Start by entering the distance between your A and B poles. Next, enter your measurement for A1. The app uses a scroll wheel to input the measurements. This design makes selecting the right number much easier. It ensures that you enter the measurements in the same format each time. As you know, there are many ways to record measurements. For example, 5 feet 6 inches could be written as 5.5 feet or 66 inches. That can get confusing, especially if it's not consistent. As you enter the A and B measurements, the points show up on the graph. The graph on the data entry screen gives you a basic drawing of the pool. You can start to see the pool take shape the more measurements you enter. At any time, you can switch to the full screen mode to see the scale drawing of the pool measurements. To do this, click the double arrows in the top right. Once you've entered all of your measurements, you can check the layout of the pool in full screen mode to see if it matches your pool's shape. If there are any points that are off, you can easily catch them here. Then, you can check your cross measurements. This allows you to verify that everything is correct before you leave the job site. While in full screen mode, select any 2 points. They will be highlighted in green, and the distance between the points will be displayed at the top of the graph. Now you can take a physical measurement between the points on the pool to make sure they match up. If the measurements are within a couple inches, they are good. You can repeat this for other points around the pool to be sure that all the measurements are correct. Just click on the points you already highlighted to deselect them, and then choose 2 more points. Once the dealer has verified the measurements, they are ready to submit the order. Now they can select the Submit button at the top of the screen. This will bring up an email with the encrypted measurement information automatically attached. The app will ask you to take a picture of the app order form. These forms are available on our website. Just go to Place an Order at the top of the Dealers section of the website, or type terrapools.com/forms in the search bar of your browser. The app order forms are simplified versions of our standard order forms. This allows the dealer to write out the order information, such as the distributor information, shipping instructions, liner pattern, etc. This is also where they can enter the bottom and step dimensions. They simply fill in the form, snap a picture of it, and it is automatically attached to the email. Because the order is sent via email, you can attach additional pictures to it. It's a good idea to take pictures of the pool, especially any stairs or other features that may need clarification. In the body of the email, you can type any additional comments. You can note the numbers associated with critical points, like the beginning of steps or benches, ends of treads, and brake lines. The email is not automatically addressed to the destination. It should be sent to the sales@terramfg.com email address. It is a good policy for the dealer to copy themselves and their distributor in the email. For the subject of the email, delete Terra Laser Data and replace it with the dealer name, distributor name, and homeowner, just like you would with the tag box. This will make it easier for inside sales to track the order form. It also prevents confusion like multiple orders for the same liner. Once the order is sent, we can begin working on it. We contact you to let you know we've received the order. The data from the app is imported into AutoCAD, which saves us a great deal of time versus manually entering A/B measurements. Plus, the drawings that come from the app are incredibly accurate. The simplicity of the Terra A/B app makes recording pool measurements a snap. We encourage dealers to A/B measure any pool that isn't a simple rectangle. No pool is perfectly square, and if you get into the habit of using the A/B method and the Terra A/B app, you'll get much better measurements and overall better results. Thank you for your time.